Leaf insect, the walking leaf of the forest. The leaf insect, also known as Phyllium biocalatum, is one of nature's most convincing masters of disguise. At first glance, it looks like an ordinary green leaf swaying gently in the wind, complete with veins, midribs, and even bite marks. But when it moves, the illusion breaks only for a moment before it blends back into the foliage. This camouflage protects it from birds, reptiles, and other predators in the tropical forests of Asia. Its delicate legs even mimic leaf stems, and when threatened, it sways like a leaf caught in a breeze. The leaf insect is proof that in nature, survival isn't always about strength. Sometimes it's about perfect deception. Satanic leaf-tailed gecko, the devil's camouflage, found in the rainforests of Madagascar. The satanic leaf-tailed gecko, Uroplatus fantasticus, is a creature straight out of fantasy. Its body, tail, and even its eyes are shaped and colored like a dried leaf. Some look fresh and green, while others resemble withered, brown leaves with holes and rough edges. During the day, it remains perfectly still, blending into the forest floor or bark. When night falls, it hunts silently, a ghost in the jungle. This extraordinary camouflage not only keeps it hidden from predators, but also helps it ambush prey. Its name may sound sinister, but its disguise is one of nature's most astonishing tricks. Bird-dropping spider, the gross genius of survival. The bird-dropping spider has perhaps the most unexpected disguise in nature. It looks like bird poop. Covered in white, black, and brown markings, it perches on leaves or branches and fools predators into thinking it's nothing more than waste. Birds, which would normally eat spiders, completely ignore it. At night, this clever spider spins a silk line that releases pheromones to attract moths, which it ambushes for food. It's a brilliant survival strategy, turning something repulsive into the perfect shield. The bird-dropping spider proves that even the strangest disguises can mean the difference between life and death. Owl butterfly, the eyes that scare predators away. The owl butterfly, Caligomemnon, is a stunning example of how beauty and fear can coexist in one creature. When its wings are closed, they reveal giant eye spots that look exactly like the eyes of an owl. These markings trick predators like birds and lizards into thinking they're facing a much larger animal. Found in the rainforests of Central and South America, this butterfly's wingspan can reach up to 8 inches, making its illusion even more effective. The moment it senses danger, it flutters just enough to flash those eyes, sending would-be attackers fleeing. A butterfly pretending to be an owl. Now that's nature's art at its finest. Mossy frog, the living stone of the jungle. The mossy frog, Phaladerma corticale, is a masterpiece of camouflage, found in the rainforests of Vietnam. Its skin is textured with green and black patterns that make it look exactly like a patch of moss-covered rock. When motionless, it completely disappears against the forest floor or a wet stone. Even its bumpy skin and uneven surface enhance the illusion. The mossy frog uses this disguise not only to avoid predators, but also to ambush unsuspecting insects. It's as if the forest itself came alive, proving that evolution can turn even the simplest organism into a living illusion. Eastern coral snake mimic, the copycat survivor. The eastern coral snake mimic, often mistaken for its venomous cousin, uses imitation as its best defense. Many harmless species like the scarlet king snake have evolved to copy the coral snake's bold red, yellow, and black color bands. Predators, unable to tell the difference, stay far away. This phenomenon, known as Batesian mimicry, is one of the most fascinating survival strategies in the animal kingdom. While the real coral snake delivers deadly venom, its mimics survive through reputation alone. It's a clever reminder that sometimes pretending to be dangerous can be just as effective as being dangerous. Poismoth caterpillar, the alien of the forest. The puss moth caterpillar, Cerura vinila, might be one of the strangest creatures you'll ever see. Its plump green body, bizarre tail whips, and alien-like face make it look like something from another planet. When threatened, it raises its head and displays a horrifying face pattern with false eyes, scaring away birds and insects. Some even shoot formic acid from their tails as a defense mechanism. This incredible display shows how evolution equips even the softest creatures with powerful psychological armor. In the world of deception, fear can be more effective than force. Leafy sea dragon, the ocean's floating seaweed. The leafy sea dragon, a relative of the seahorse, is one of the ocean's most breathtaking illusions. Covered in delicate, leaf-like appendages, it looks exactly like a drifting piece of seaweed. Found off the coast of Australia, this creature moves gently with the current, enhancing the illusion. Predators pass by without noticing, thinking it's just marine vegetation. Despite its fragile appearance, the leafy sea dragon survives in the wild with little defense other than its disguise. Its camouflage is not just protection, it's living art, crafted by evolution over millions of years. Orchid mantis, the flower assassin. The orchid mantis, Hymenopus coronatus, is a deadly beauty from Southeast Asia that disguises itself as a delicate orchid flower. With pink and white petals and graceful movements, it looks identical to the blossoms it hides among. Pollinating insects, thinking they found nectar, land on the flower, only to be snatched and devoured in an instant. This elegant predator uses deception not for defense, but for hunting. In a world where most animals hide to survive, the orchid mantis hides to kill. It's one of nature's most exquisite examples of beauty with deadly purpose. Stonefish, the ocean's deadliest illusion. The stonefish is the ultimate underwater illusionist and one of the most venomous fish on the planet. It looks exactly like a rock or piece of coral resting on the ocean floor. Unwary swimmies or predators that step or bite near it are injected with venom so powerful it can kill within hours. Its camouflage is flawless. Even professional divers can barely spot it. The stonefish uses its disguise to ambush prey and protect itself, perfectly blending death and deception. In the vast ocean, it reminds us that the most dangerous things often look completely harmless.